Hey, what is up, guys? Today we have this 2005 Honda Odyssey. Problems we have is this door, sometimes it closes, sometimes it doesn't. I'm gonna try right now so you can see. Put it on. Let's open it all the way. I'm gonna press the button one more time. And you can hear, like it's moving weird, and you can hear something loose. So it closed good. Now let's open it. And it, like, there's something going on and it stops it from opening all the way. I'm gonna show you how to fix it. It's a really easy fix, and it's really cheap fix how to do it. So first of all, let's try to open it as most as we can, and then just stop it when it gets to around the middle. That's good. So what we have to replace, let me show you. Hold on. Okay, this is what we have to replace. It's called sliding door rollers. It's like the whole piece. I'll be posting a link down below on Amazon. You can buy it there. They're really cheap. You can find them for less than $30. Usually the part that goes wrong on these vans is these little rollers right here. They break. Over time they break, and then once you see it's not even there no more. Like they fall apart. I don't know. They break and the door doesn't open or close good anymore. So I'm going to show you how to replace it. It's really, really simple. Stay tuned. All right, first we're going to have to remove the tail light. The procedure is the same for the right side or the left side. So you have to pry this open with a flathead screwdriver. We open that side, then the other side. Then using a Phillips screwdriver, you're gonna remove these two screws right here. There's two. Okay, we got that bolt. We got that bolt off. Now let's get the one on the bottom. Okay, we got that one out. Now what you have to do is just pull the tail light, and it should come out. There you go. You can leave it hanging like this because this is, I'll show right here. This is the bolt that we have to remove right here. All right, using a 10mm socket, we're going to remove this. You don't have to use a drill if you don't want to. I use it so I can speed up the process. So make sure you don't lose it. Just put it somewhere safe. And there's another screw that we have to remove. So that was the bolt. Now we're going to remove this screw that's over here. Let me show you. Okay, let me zoom in. So that screw right there, we have to remove it. Once you remove the bolt and that screw, we can already remove that plastic cover. I'll show you. All right, using the Phillips screwdriver, really simple. Just turn. Oops. Okay, there. So watch out so you don't lose the screw. And to remove this part is really simple. Just pull it towards you and it should come out. Watch out, don't scratch the paint. Watch out. And it comes out. Easy as that. Okay, the next step is we have to remove this bracket right here. There's two bolts, 1 and 2. You can use a 12mm socket to remove them. Now, I think I have to mention, you have to put something underneath here for support, because once you remove those two bolts, the door is gonna fall. So it's good to use a jack. I have this jack right here. I'm going to put it more on this side, right there. And I'm just gonna put it, yes, like there. Just so you can hold it so it don't fall. All right, now you can remove these two bolts. All right, I'm using an electric ratchet. You don't have to, but this will speed up the process. That's one. You can see how the door went lower. I'm gonna pick it up just a little bit more, right there. All right, once you remove those two bolts, this part, it's already loose. You can pull it if you want. I'm gonna pull it right here, and if you bend it like this, you can see it comes out. Now I'm going to show you the difference between the old one and the new one. Let me look for the parts right here. Okay, so you see how this one is missing the rollers, so that's why it's giving us problems. So the link I'm going to put on the description down below, it's going to have just this part right here. So what we have to do now is we're gonna remove the cable. That way we can remove this big bolt that's over here, so we can transfer it to this bracket right here. I'll show you how to do it. So hold on. So in order to remove these bolts, just put it like this to once on this side, and just use some force and bend it like this, and it should come out. There we go. So we got that side off. Now the other side will be much easier. So you can just get it and put it right here so it doesn't fall. So this part is out. Now I'm going to show you how to remove this big bolt. All right, in order to remove the bolt, we have to remove this little safe pin that's right here. So be careful, because once you take it out, there's a high chance it's gonna go flying away. So just like put your finger here, use a flathead, and try to take it out. Maybe using a smaller flathead will help. I'm going to see if I can do it with just this one. Let me see. Okay, it's coming out a little bit. Okay, it fell, but it's right here. All right, put it somewhere safe. Now you can get a hammer, and we're gonna hit it right here. Okay, wants to come out. You can use whatever you want. I'm going to be using these pliers, needle nose pliers, to take it out. So there you go. Just put it somewhere safe so that you don't lose it. And this is the bad part. We're not gonna use this no more. So just leave it anywhere. So okay, this is the new part. I'm going to show you how to put it in. All right, so just get the old piece, the new piece. This is the way it goes. Just put it like that, and get the bolt and put it in the middle. Okay, right there. Let's use a hammer. Okay. Okay, right there is in. So let's push it all the way in. Right there. All right, once you push it all the way in, you can already take the little pin, the one we removed, and just push it here. You can use a flathead screwdriver to push it. Be careful so that you don't lose it. Let's see. Okay, right there, perfect. So, all right. Now we have to put it back. Let me show you. Okay, this is the hardest part of the job, is getting to put this cable in the way it was. So putting the first one, it's easy, as you can see, but then getting the second one, it's a little bit tricky. So you have to push from both sides together. Let's see if we can get it done. Okay, we got it in. Now just twist. Twist. And pull up. See? Okay, there you go. We got it. Now this is easy. Just put it in like this and twist, and that's it. Now all we have to do is put these two bolts back in. I'll show you how. All right, so just push this next to the door right there, and let's try to align the holes. There we got one. There we got the second one. Okay, right there. Looks good. All right, next step, you can remove the jack right there. And now let's give it a try. So we can put it on the on position. Let's close it. Good. Now let's open it. Perfect. So it doesn't stop anymore. It doesn't make those weird noises no more. And it's opening and closing perfectly fine. Perfect. Good. So I'm gonna open it halfway, then I'm gonna stop it right there, so we can put the cover back. The way to put the cover back, it's easy. You just put it here. Let me show you. There's these holes right here. So 1, 2, and 3. So the big hole, you put it in here and also there, and the other one's back there. So you press it, and then you gotta push. So like put it in and then push like this so it locks. Once you do that, you can already put this bolt. You can put the screw that goes over here. I'm gonna stop the video. I mean that's pretty common sense, just to put everything back how it was, and just put the tail light back, and that's pretty much it, guys. If this video helped you in any way, please consider subscribing. Like I said, I'm going to be putting a link down below if you want to buy the rollers. Please like this video, share it with your friends, and I hope this is the easiest video you'll find on YouTube on how to replace the rollers. Thank you so much, guys. See you in the next video. Peace.